It's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, May 24th. I'm James Spann, getting set to crank up the heat as we kick off the holiday weekend here in a couple of days. Check the satellite view around the nation this morning. The upper trough that was overhead a few days ago is in the process of being replaced by an upper ridge, and that's responsible for the heat. The big trough you see up in the northwestern U.S. will not affect us, keeping the main storminess way up north. Temperatures early this morning are nice and cool in the west. Readings mostly in the 60s around here. Had a few 50s in northeast Alabama and Tennessee, but again, we're going to heat up, as you'll see. Convective outlook today. We've got the standard slight risk of severe weather from near Kansas City up to Minneapolis, St. Paul, and through much of Minnesota. And tomorrow, no formal risk, just a couple of 5% zones way up north. Rain for the next 5 days. I don't think we see much at all. This is valid through Monday evening. There could be a few isolated showers by Monday, but we'll stay dry through Sunday. The bigger rains over the Florida Peninsula with that big tropical plume you see here. No sign of any organization at this point. A few models do identify that system and want to move it northeast up into the Atlantic, off the South Atlantic coast, and we'll see what happens from there. I don't know if this can develop, but if it by chance does, maybe just some of that moisture will try and back in here from the east by the middle of next week. We'll see. Let's check modeling. This is the OZGFS, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. There's that trough over the northwestern states. Around here, the ridge beginning to build, and the day will be sunny and will be close to 90 today. Tomorrow, low 90s are likely. Both the GFS, the NAM are printing 92. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, there's that 588 ridge right over us. And while we have that here, we've got the big trough in the west. It's going to be a hot day. The latest GFS is printing 95 on Saturday. Ooh, buddy. No doubt it's going to be like summer this weekend, which it ought to be as we kick things off. And then Sunday, I think we'll stay dry. Low to mid-90s. The GFS is showing 93. We note that broad surface low around Cape Canaveral, Florida. Monday, that low tries to drift back to the west, and we'll just see if just maybe we can pick up some moisture from that feature. I think we'll stay mostly dry Monday. We'll mention a small chance of a shower. And there's Tuesday. Again, the ridge has been suppressed, so temperatures should get back closer to where they should be for this time of the year, maybe back in the 80s, and we'll bring in the chance of a few scattered showers and storms. And the same thing on Wednesday, and some evidence of a weak front approaching from the north that might enhance the chance of showers and storms then. So hopefully we'll see at least some rain by the middle part of next week, and there's a week from today, pretty much the same deal. That front will not be pushing through here. We'll check the end of the forecast, June 8th. Light northerly flow aloft, storm track way up north, and again, that shows very, very quiet weather here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 later today on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.